Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, nilabasan ng SB19 ang music video nila ng Make It Merry with Gcash, no? Yesterday, kakareact natin ng official audio nun, which is, again, as usual, no? Every time that SB19 makes a song about their advertisement, it's always a fucking banger, though. But now we have like a music video. I guess this is a music video, I guess, right? Well, di naman nakalagay sa title, it's a music video, but I assume it's a music. I assume it's a music video. Well, without no further ado, man, let's get it. Hey. Make it merry, Gcash mo.
Kumikislap ang mga tanawin,
La 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 la.
pero may onting bigat ng feeling.
Wow, wow.
Tila kay bilis araw at gabi.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ano pala, no? Parang studio lang. No? Ang galing eh.
Habol lang bawat sandali. Sa gitna ng alon,
Oh, they are the gift.
asko'y sabay nating salubungin ang bawat salo. Make it merry kasama ang pamilya mo. Ang bawat regalo, make it merry galing sa puso mo. Make it merry, i-Gcash mo. Make it merry, i-Gcash mo. Make it merry, i-Gcash mo.
Man, nag-doggy, man. Nag-doggy. Madoggy pala yung ano eh.
Make it merry galing sa puso mo. Make it merry, i-Gcash mo. Make it merry, i-Gcash mo. Make it merry.
Make it merry, i-Gcash mo.
I-Gcash mo. Make it merry, i-Gcash mo. Make it
Wow.
merry,
Ang lalim nung ano na yan, sisid na yun ah.
i-Gcash mo. Make it merry,
Hindi naman pala, sakto lang. Alam ko bumaba pa lang gano'n.
i-Gcash mo. Make it merry, i-Gcash mo. Kasama na uli ang barkada. Bit-bit ang mga sorpresang dala. Napapawi ang pagod sa tuwa at pagmamahal sa bawat isa. Pakiramdam ay mas gumagaan. Galakay hindi na mapigil.
Yung tsura ni Sel dito, parang pang-room pa rin eh. No? Parang room ulit eh. Make it merry.
Kasama ang pamilya mo. Kasama ang pamilya mo. Bawat regalo, make it merry. Galing sa puso mo. Galing sa puso mo.
Make it merry.
I-Gcash mo. Make it merry, i-Gcash mo. Make it merry,
Ang kulit talaga ng step nila, man.
i-Gcash mo. Make it merry, i-Gcash mo. Make it merry, i-Gcash mo.
Oh.
Regalo for everyone, kahit ano pa yan. Make it merry, merong magaan na bayaran.
Wishlist mo na sobrang dami, grabe. Make it merry, sa payment na super easy. Para sa bonggang handaan. Make it merry sa isang scan.
Ang ganda lang ginawa ng Gcash doon. That's the reason why they have this on the lyrics, no? So, they have this on the lyrics. Tapos meron silang parang like a music video about this. They can, you know, do something like this edits, right? You know, they can easily put this video sa mga like sa stores and, you know, like advertisements sa mall, 'di ba?
Make it merry sa isang scan. Kahit pa mas kong biglaan. Make it merry sa
that whip at the background. Sino yun? Si Stel ba yun? Parang hindi si Stel yun, no? Yung... May gumanon sa likod. Di ba? I guess it's Pablo. Yung EG Cash mo. Si Pablo ba yan? Make it merry, EG Cash. Nice, man. Alright, well again, that is SB19, Make It Merry with Gcash. Again, sobrang creative nung I mean, I guess dahil sa pagkakagawa nila ng lyrics, nagkaroon ng creative room yung mga gumawa ng concept for the music video and yung nag-edit, no? Because they have this part now, yung yung parang part, rap part doon sa huli na they basically, put the features of Gcash sa lyrics, di ba? Sarap na yon. So, nalagay nila at the same time during the music video, actual music video, nalagay nila yung mga edits, like how the feature works, right? And paano siya, like yung tindahan, ginagawa, diba? Which is napakaganda. Again, I'm explaining this and, giving my thoughts as in a perspective of, like, an advertisement, diba? Hindi as an actual music video. Because, again, it's a music video for an advertisement, diba? So, basically, titingnan natin gano'n siya ka-effective. And I guess, everyone worked together for this. Like, the lyrics and the song, of course, SB19, also naisip ng director. And they actually made a fucking solid, music video. And also, at the same time, an advertisement for Gcash, which is, galing, no? Ganda rin. Well, yeah, I mean, that's the reaction for today. Man, sana gustuhan nyo yun. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto nyo maglasabutin yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, nag-react tayo dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.